I don't think I've ever been so excited to start a video in my entire life. Like, I literally don't think I've ever been this excited to start a video. Maybe I have. Maybe all the times that I like exposed my ex, those I was really excited for too. But today, if you cannot tell by my attire and the braids, I am going to see snow. Hey. She's excited too. I am going to see snow. As many of you know, or maybe you don't know, maybe you have no idea who I am. Hi, my name's Nikki. I just moved to LA. I just moved to California, and right now, this weekend or this week or whatever, it is supposed to snow a lot in Big Bear and Lake Arrowhead, in Mount Baldy. There's a bunch of different mountains that are supposed to snow like crazy this weekend and next week and everything. It's actually supposed to rain in LA today, which like never happens. I'll show you outside. It looks so gloomy. As you can see, it is just so gloomy outside. Like that's just all clouds and like gloom, and it looks like it's gonna rain. Which, if you've ever been to California or know anything about California, that never happens in LA. It never rains, never rains. So me and my friend, it was actually her birthday like 2 days ago, we decided let's go see snow. Let's go to like Big Bear or like Arrowhead, somewhere. We don't know where we're going yet. We're kind of just you know, just going with it. We're gonna either go to Lake Arrowhead, Mount Baldy, or Big Bear. I don't know which, but whichever is like the easiest to get to, because I don't want to drive like far or like through a lot of mountains or anything. So we're gonna do all of that. I'm so excited to bring you guys along with me for the adventure. So I'm back, I'm vlogging. We started with a story time last week and now a vlog. Ah, I'm a YouTuber. Now for the fit, gotta show you the fit people. I don't even know where to put you. Here, I'll put you here on a candle. All right, so here it is. I don't have my like snow jacket or snow pants on yet, but I have snow boots. I got these on Amazon. Come here. All right, she was having a fit. So I got these on Amazon. They're cute. I got the beanie from I Am Coco LA. This is from Just Beaver Purpose World Tour. I also have a white long sleeve under this. These are like thermal leggings. And then I have more layers, hold on. These are my snow pants. These were also from Amazon. They're really cute. I love the white. They're kind of long on me, but everything is long on me. And then I also have a puffer jacket with like a hood, like a fur hood on it that I'm gonna wear over this. I am prepared for the snow. We're just going for the day, of course, because like I have Bean and stuff, so I have to get home. But we're going for the day. I'm really excited, and let's go.
My favorite is when the girl runs out and then runs back and she's like, I love you.
I think I would pass out. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, there's no part of me that's kidding that I think. Okay, so we just pulled over, just like everyone and their mother is. And we're putting on our snow chains, our tire chains. We have no idea what we're doing. Or I have no idea what we're doing. But look how crazy. Oh, you can hear it. It sounds so funny. Yeah, we're literally just in the mountains and you can see our breath. Well, I don't know if you can. Can you? I don't know. Yeah? No, I know we can. I don't know if they can.
Oh.
I don't think so.
I can. Maybe they can.
I don't know.
There's definitely breath.
There's breath.
I'm gonna do this a different way.
Okay.
Pull them out. I'm gonna go from the top. Guys, are you kidding? Like, are you actually kidding right now? This is insane. People are staring at me, but I literally don't even care at this point. It's snowing. I kind of want to make TikToks. Like, if I put this somewhere, I don't know where I can set you guys down, but I really want to make TikToks. Guys, look how much it's snowing. Oh, wait, like, I feel like you can't tell. Okay, yeah, it's like hard to tell, but okay, I need to close. There's so much snow. Okay, hi, you guys are on my phone now, but it's snowing. Oh my god, hold on. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's snowing, so people are going crazy. But look. Oh my god. I'm gonna slip on snow at least once. I already know it. But it's snowing. Look at all the snow in your hair. I love it. I love it. But yeah, this is insane. Literally insane. An hour and a half away. That's it. Like, huh? I feel like I'm literally in the North Pole. Like, where is Santa? Lead me to him. Oh my god, I already got snow in my eye once. This doesn't do it justice at all. It's just beautiful. And it's the cutest little town. We're at Lake Arrowhead Village. And it's just so cute. And there's snow everywhere. I went to this place called Belgian Waffle Works. I got a Benedict on a waffle. I didn't even know that was possible. It is beautiful. And we are eating inside because it is a lot of snow. Lots of icy stuff. But this is beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna try the waffle first. Whoa. It's so good. I don't even know how to like dig into this thing. Delicious. Okay, so we're at this place called The Grapevine, and we got wine twice. There's 3 reds and 2 whites, and it looks so good. I'm really excited. Just like the snow and just one little piece of air is like curled in the front. The snow and the ambiance. Chef's kiss. They're watching me. Okay, which one are you going to take first?
I think this one is closest to me.
Okay. Cheers.
Oh, they got them labeled at the bottom.
Mmm.
Right? Xoxo.
Do they?
I think so. Or is that
Whatever
the
it
name
is,
of the
this one's good.
No, it's the name
Delicious.
of the glass.
This is insane. Catch one with your tongue. You got it. Did you get one?
How are they missing me?
I got one. I don't know why I thought you guys would be able to see that. Like, obviously it melted. Look at how much it's snowing. This is like a winter wonderland. Literally. And there's the cutest little town. Okay, so just a little update, guys. The snow got a lot more crazy than we thought it was going to. It is like a literal snowstorm. For as from like little Florida, little hot town, this is so much snow. Like, I thought I was gonna come here and see some flurries, see some, you know, little bit of snow. Yeah, no, it's a full-blown snowstorm. So we are heading home. We're being safe about it. We're not gonna test our limits here. We're just gonna head home. It was an amazing day. We got to see some awesome snow, go to cool places, go to this cool little village, and we're just gonna end it on like a really good note. Of course, like, the video's not ending. I'm still gonna talk to you guys, but this is just crazy. There is so much snow. Like, it literally is just so much snow. There's people like, hold on. Oh God, it sounded like that kid was dying. It's like a winter wonderland. It's just complete whiteout. And it's beautiful, but it's also crazy. So we just pulled over to take our chains off. they're sliding. Eee. But look at this view. Like, are you kidding me? They're still sliding, like, sir. But this is just absolutely insane. But we made it on the mountain. It's freezing. We're taking our chains off now. This view, I just like can't get over. Like, how do you get over a view like this? You don't. That's what it comes down to. It's just absolutely beautiful. Insane.